Today on Bleeding Edge TV, we're going to give you a look at Vonage Mobile. It's an app that lets you get free phone calls and free texting worldwide. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome to Bleeding Edge TV. I'm Andrew Webbers, and today we're talking about Vonage Mobile. It's a new app that brings you free calls and free texts to any users of this app. And if you want to call somebody that's not using the app, you'll actually pay about 70% less than what your mobile carrier would charge you. And on top of that, you'd even pay about 30% less than what Skype would end up charging you. So this is likely the cheapest way to make calls. You get free calls, free texting, and heavily discounted calling when you're not calling someone that uses the Vonage Mobile app as well. So you can see here we're actually just starting up the app, Vonage Mobile, and you can see that it says there free calls and text to Vonage users, get great international rates, and from what I've seen there's about a penny a minute or less. You can call somebody for 100 minutes and talk to them and pay $1. It also works on Wi-Fi and 3G, 4G worldwide, and it uses your existing contacts and shows you who you can call or text for free, which is nice because most apps like Skype or other ones actually require you to sign up for an account and then build your address book within that app. And what's annoying about that is you have all your contacts on your phone already. Why would you want to recreate those contacts and look for them again in a new app and create a whole new address book when you already have one built into your phone? So that's the nice thing about Vonage Mobile. It's free for iOS and Android. Talking and texting worldwide is free with other app users. With non-app users, as we said, 70% less than what your carrier would charge you. Let me just see what this says here. Vonage Mobile needs to access your address book to provide free calls and texts. You can press Y and ask them why, or you can hit OK. I'll just hit OK. And then it's asking me for my phone number and email address, so I'm just going to put that in very quickly. I'm setting up my account right now on the fly as I'm doing the video. It's going to send me an SMS verification. There you can see what it says. So I'm just waiting for the SMS to appear. I hit finish, it's validating. Asks if it can send me push notifications. That's likely to let me know when someone texts me or is calling me. I'll say okay. Done. And we're in. As it says, welcome to Vonage. You can now call and text for free with other Vonage users. Tap below to start inviting. And the other nice thing is, as we said, you can do the free calling, and I'll just say start using Vonage now. Alright, so here you can see some of my address book. I sorted it by free call, so these are people that already have the app. I can call any of these people for free just by tapping on their phone number, giving them a call, and it'll go over the Vonage app, and they'll get the phone call in their Vonage app. So that's nice. It also works for Android, as I said. So here's a Galaxy Nexus. I just downloaded it. I can open it here on Android. It uses the mobile number that you have associated with your device, so you don't actually have to come up with a new phone number or choose a new phone number or give people a new phone number to use. Let me accept this and see if I can actually use this same account. And then I'll just try to call my other device very quickly. I'll say start using Vonage. The cool thing is that while it does offer that free calling and free texting, we did mention that if you wanted to call someone that's not using the app, you can call people, home phone numbers or anything like that. The rate is discounted, but you can actually pay through the Android market or through the App Store. So you can go into the app through in-app purchase and buy a $4.99 or $9.99 credits and just call that way. So you don't have to have a separate account with Vonage or again manage anything. It's all managed right through iTunes or right through the app through in-app purchase. So let me call. I'm going to call my other phone here and see how that works. Going to the keypad. So there you see. On this one it's calling, and on this one I got a push notification saying call from, and if I slide it across there, I should be answering. There we go, we're connected. There you see the call quality at the top. It says good call quality. It says it right there as well. Hello. Sounds great. I can just hear myself, but who cares? Like on the app, iOS. There you see what it looks like on Android. Very similar, as expected. And now I'll just shut it down. And there it is. So it works just like it's very similar to any other calling app. I don't know why I'm calling myself again. Let me end that call. But very easy, as long as you have the push notifications on, you'll get it and let you know that someone's trying to call. But again, very cool, very easy to install. Once it's installed, you use in-app purchase to buy credits. You can invite people right from the address book that you've already built on your device. You don't need to set up a new account. It's cheaper than what your mobile carrier is going to charge you, and it's even cheaper than what Skype's going to charge you. So it's very nice. Right now, if you want to give it a try, if you're still not convinced, you can actually download the app. Again, it's called Vonage Mobile. And for a limited time, calls originating from anywhere but calling a United States, Canada, or Puerto Rican phone number are free. So from anywhere in the world, whether you're in one of those areas or not, you can call using the Vonage Mobile app, and your call will be free. Just so you can try it out, see how it works, see how you like it. So check it out. It's Vonage Mobile on the Android market, on the iOS App Store. As we said, we're giving away a bunch of $25 credits, and I believe it's going to be 20. We're giving away 20 $25 credits to the App Store, basically. So, and the way that you enter, you go to GearLive.com. You'll see it at the top. And what we want you to do is just download the app and send us a screenshot. Send a screenshot of you using the app and let us know. Or you can post it to Twitter. I guess actually that's what we'll do. You'll have your Twitter account, take a screenshot of your app, and just show us your keypad. You don't have to show us your address book or anything like that. You can show us your keypad, show us the account page, whatever you want to show us. It doesn't have to be any personal information. Tweet that to us at GearLive. Show us your screenshot, just include it as an image in your tweet, and that'll enter you, and we're going to choose 20 people. So all you got to do is download the app. You don't even have to use it. Just download it, show us you downloaded it, and let us know. That is pretty much it for this episode. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube. You can go to youtube.com/GearLive. We're right there. Hit subscribe. We appreciate that. Facebook.com/GearLive if you rather have us show up in your news feed there. Of course, you can find us on Twitter. Twitter.com/GearLive. You have to be following us to win, because we're going to contact you on Twitter by DM. And in order for us to DM you, you have to be following us. So make sure you're following us if you want to enter that contest. Again, a bunch of you guys, 20 of you are going to get a $25 gift card to the Apple iOS App Store. Until next time, I'm Andru Edwards. Stay tuned for more tech news through the outs of GearLive.com.
Every mobile app contains a little bit of magic. With Vonage Mobile, the magic allows you to talk and text for free worldwide without having to learn a bunch of new tricks. Unlike Skype, Vonage Mobile automatically puts your phone's existing address book at the center of your experience, which means free Vonage-to-Vonage calls and text messages are never more than a tap away. And utilizing mobile numbers that are already in your address book, you can quickly build a free, global calling and texting network. Just use the multi-invite function to invite as many people as you want with one simple text. With Skype, you have to send individual invites to every single person. And to do that, you first have to search and find them among the entire Skype user database. With Vonage Mobile, on the other hand, you use it just like you use your phone. So let's get back to Vonage Mobile and doing what Vonage does best: low-cost international calling. Making international calls to friends who don't yet have the app will cost you 30% less than Skype's pay-per-minute rates. Speaking of money, with Vonage, you can add calling credit without leaving the app. There's no need to go to a website or have your credit card handy. Vonage Mobile lets you add credit right within the app, using your iTunes or Android Market account. It's just one more ingredient of the magic of Vonage Mobile, specifically crafted to enhance your mobile calling and texting experience, not reinvent it.